Unlike Mac computers, you do not have to install anything. Everything is built in to do this on Windows computers. Like there is a thing called Game Bar. I'll show you real quick. So this is Game Bar. You can stream record, but you can't get the internal audio when you do it like this. It'll still have the audio coming from like the background. So this is more tailored for people trying to record like video gameplay. So if you're not trying to do that, I don't really recommend this option. So let's go ahead and close that out. So to get to the built-in option, there's two ways to do it. So the first way that should work for everybody, on your keyboard, all you have to do is just press the Windows key and then Shift and then press S. So you hold down the Windows key, press Shift, and then you can just tap the S button. And then you'll get these options here that comes up. And if you have one of the latest computers or laptops, you actually have a one press button that just does all that for you. So all you have to do is just press that button one time and it'll bring up the same options. But when you do get these options up, the camera is just for screenshots. So it's saying I don't have a window detected. So let me bring up a window real quick. So when you have this camera highlighted, all you have to do is press anywhere on the screen and it'll just take a picture of the entire screen. And those pictures will go to your picture folder in your computer. And it's the same deal with the video option here, but it's a little bit more steps to it. I'll explain it. So besides just pressing anywhere, you have to kind of crop what you actually want to record. So if you wanted to record the full screen, you have to make sure to select the top angle over here and then just drag and drop with your mouse to the other angle at the end and then just release. And after you do this, you'll see some options here. So it says unmute microphone and mute system audio. So this system audio, this is the internal audio. So say if you're trying to stream record a YouTube video and you want like the official audio that's coming from the YouTube video, you need this on. But say if you wanted to hear yourself talking at the same time through the computer itself, so through the computer's microphone, you'll select this option. So it can work in different combinations. So if you wanted to hear yourself in the background and you didn't want to hear the system audio, you can mute the system audio and keep this microphone unmuted. Yeah, so different combinations. But if you just wanted the internal audio, make sure you mute this option and keep this unmuted. Now, when you select start, it'll show a countdown here and then it'll start. But one last important tip I can give you, and I had this issue myself. So say if you plan and starting a YouTube video by pressing the space bar, like watch this. So I don't know if you can tell, but each time I press space, it'll actually mute the system audio. So make sure you click away from this option right here, and then you can press space and all that. And again, whenever you stop a video, it'll give you a little preview of it here. But just remember, it'll always be in your video folder. So when you take a screenshot, just a picture, it'll be in your picture folder, and when you do a stream recording a video, it'll be in your video folder. And that's all it is to it. But if you are interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can always stay up to date with me. Whenever I figure out how to do something, I always make a video showing you guys how to do it as well. But for this video, this is all I got for you. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.